A good day. This is Abdulkawi Adeyemi, the CEO, Ivan Merchandise and Designs. Well, I'm taking us through a short lecture tonight. It is very simple. All you need is your data, and you just need to be serious also. So all you need to do is you load your web browser, most preferred the Google Chrome. All you need to type in is Remove.Bg. So this is basically used in removing the background to our pictures. So this is what pops up the first page. All you need to do is look at the upload image area where you have the blue color. Tap, then you let it load. You browse for the pictures you want. This is very simple to use. Once you have a PNG photo, it is easy to remove.